In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use and install video LUTs into Adobe Premiere Pro. On FilterGrade, we have tons and tons of video LUTs to help you color grade all of your projects, regardless of whether you're shooting fashion, documentary, or even sports and athletic stuff. If you're just getting started, we have some free LUTs that I have listed in the description so you can try this out with and see what you think. So to get started, you're going to want to open up Premiere Pro and start a new project. Once you have that set, you can see in the Lumetri Color Panel on the right-hand side under Input LUT, this is where you'll see all the LUTs that you have already pre-installed or that comes with Premiere Pro. When you click on them, you can make sure the effect is what you're looking for, or you can select another LUT. Under Input LUT, if you click Browse, you can open up your folder and find all the LUTs that you have in your Finder. Here we're going to use some of our LUTs for the Blackmagic camera, and you can see that the effect is applied. From there, you can make minor tweaks and adjustments to correct your image even more. And this is the best part about LUTs. When you're using the LUT, you can apply it to all the footage, and then from there, all your footage has more cohesive look. If you want to save your LUT, you can go up into the right-hand side of the screen under the Lumetri Color Panel, right-click on the Lumetri Color words on the top right, and then from there at the bottom, you can see Export Look, Export Cube, or Save Preset. Right now we're going to save the preset, and then you can save the file name. If you want to find the presets that you've been saving, go up in the right hand corner, scroll over to Effects, and from there it'll be in Presets. You can find the name that you titled it, and then from there drag it onto your clip. Sometimes LUTs are really good for a base layer to apply the same color coding to most of your clips. However, you'll still need to do some tweaking depending on the lighting and the scene. From there, on the left-hand side of the screen, in the Effects panel, you can see the Lumetri Color tab. You're going to want to click on that on the left side on the Effects button, and then you can toggle it on and off to see a before and after of your video. You can also edit color settings in the left-hand side under the Effects panel of Lumetri Color. This is just another way you can color grade your footage and apply different effects instead of if you don't want to use the right-hand side. If you want to save the preset, you can also click on the Lumetri Color Panel here in the Effects panel, right-click, Save Preset. Okay, so now there's another way that you can apply LUTs to your footage, and one of the most annoying parts about applying different LUTs to your footage is having to look through all your Finder folders and everything just gets super unorganized. So today we're going to show you a new way that you can actually import your LUTs into Adobe Premiere Pro without having to always go back to your Finder folder. So first what we're going to do is close out of Premiere Pro. You can save your project and then close up. After that, we're going to go down to our Finder and open up a new Finder window. From there, go to Applications and look for Adobe Premiere Pro. After that, right-click on Adobe Premiere Pro, hit Show Package Contents, and then from there, go into the Contents folder, look for Lumetri, and then look for the LUTs folder. Inside of there, you're going to want to open up the Creative folder. That's the folder that we'll be working with. Once you have that folder pulled up, go ahead and pull up your folder of LUTs that you want to be using, and from there, drag and drop them into the Creative folder of Adobe Premiere Pro. After that, reopen Premiere Pro. Once you go into the Creative section under the Lumetri panel, you'll find the LUTs that you've just dragged into the folder. This is going to make it a lot easier on you, so you don't always have to be going back and forth through your Finder folders and searching different folders of presets. Now let's go ahead and look at how to make your own LUTs. First, you can start by playing with the exposure settings, bump the saturation, even check the white balance with any white walls, or if you have a white card color checker, go ahead and white balance the scene with that. From there, I like going into the curves panel and really adjusting this. This helps boost contrast if you want. This helps boost contrast, heighten the saturation, and just make the colors look a little bit more vivid. If you want, you can even go into the color wheels and match section and really apply some color grading to make the scene a specific tone or color that you're looking for. For more effects, you can go into the HSL secondary and apply advanced color grading to make the scene exactly how you want it. If you want to save the preset, again, go to the top right of the screen and find Lumetri Color Panel. From there, right click, and you can hit Save Preset, or even export look or cube. If you have any questions or anything about this tutorial was a little bit unclear, feel free to leave us a comment below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Like I said before too, we have tons and tons of video LUTs on the website at FilterGrade.com. We also have a ton of freebies that I have linked in the description. So if you're just getting started or if you're looking for any specific types of products, be sure to check out the website. But besides that, have a good day. Peace.